Hi, let's imagine I'm a financial operations analyst, and today, with the help of UiPath Autopilot, I'm going to build a simple API workflow that validates a company's European VAT number using public API endpoints provided by the European Union. To start, I go to the official European Commission website and find the page that includes the VAT validation API documentation. I don't need to read or understand the technical details myself. I simply share the link with Autopilot so it can interpret everything and help me build the workflow automatically. Autopilot automatically reads the content, understands the structure of the API, and generates a workflow that can validate any VAT number. The workflow takes the VAT number as an input argument so I can test different values later on. Let's give it a try. I ask Autopilot to test the workflow using the VAT number of UiPath to make sure everything is set up correctly. Autopilot executes the workflow and makes the request to the EU VAT validation service. The call runs, but something doesn't seem right. Autopilot immediately detects the issue in the API call, identifies what went wrong, and automatically applies a fix. No manual debugging required. Once the fix is in place, Autopilot retests the workflow. This time, the validation passes successfully, returning the correct VAT details. Now that I have a working workflow, I ask Autopilot to make it more reliable and resilient, for example, by improving error handling or validation logic. In just a few moments, Autopilot analyzes the workflow, suggests several improvements, and generates an enhanced version. I review the proposed changes, and I accept them. The new workflow is cleaner, more efficient, and handles API failures gracefully. Finally, Autopilot recommends one last test. I run it again, and the improved workflow executes flawlessly, validating the VAT number just as expected. In under 2 minutes, I've built, debugged, and optimized a complete API workflow, all powered by UiPath Autopilot.